Welcome guys to my channel once again. It's your host OTC right here. So in today's video we will be discussing about Euro CAD pair for the upcoming trading week, that is from 19th to 23rd July. So let's begin. Alright guys, as you can see we are in Euro CAD pair. So what do we see right now and what the price is currently up to? So we can clearly see that price was in demand from July, then fake below, then big push to the upside. That means price is in uptrend for the daily. So if we draw zones, let me just mark this as demand. All right, so in daily we are in the bullish side. So I can clearly say this price will be breaching this level, and we can might target for this 420 levels. All right, which will be this area. Just mark this 420. All right, this, let me change its color to orange. So price will be going to the upside. We'll be just targeting for 420 levels. So we'll be moving to our 1 hour. What we see is price is just near these order blocks right here. What did the market do? Price made a big push to the downside, faked some traders out, then continued to its original trend, and price is now heading towards 420 levels. So if you ask me, my initial target will be is a decent target. All right, if you're a swing trader, I'm a day trader and swing trader, so it just depends on the pairs you want to see. If the price is in your favor, and it will be like giving you a good return of your the amount that you risk, so it's fair enough. All right, so let's just move to 30 minutes. All right, so you can see clearly that price is an uptrend, no doubt. We had just have to see if the price just, if price can break this level. All right, if the price breaks this level, then it surely be moving towards my target. All right, so how much pips can we get from here? Like it's 165 pips. I might say it will make like it'll go to a zone in maybe 2 days, I guess. If it's moving to the upside, very much aggression and buying pressure is still there. So I'll be looking for the buy. So in case if you are having a stop loss, it depends on you. How much do you risk? All right, it depends upon your risk appetite. So just like 30-40 pips, maybe 50. So for day traders, I'll be saying you that just look for retracement. As you can see, price is coming to retrace around this 50% zone, which we call it test zone. Look for some price action, then up to your target would be up to this level. All right, stop loss below this swing, and target which will be near 61%. All right, which will give like nearly 1:3 risk to reward, which is enough risk to reward pair. All right, so it's just the same. So if you guys ask me, my bias in EuroCAD is bullish now. So let's see how the markets plays out and what the market has to offer on Monday. All right. So if you guys like today's analysis for the upcoming week, make sure that you guys like and share, like and subscribe the channel, and you guys won't miss any update about upcoming videos in the future. So hope you guys will be having a bang upcoming week and you guys will be making the bag, and peace out.